Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Spotting Trip Vlogs, where today we are going to be going to Reading. So yep, going up to Reading today. We're going to film at Bramley, Mortimer, Reading Green Park and Reading West. So yeah, it's quite exciting. So the plan for this morning is we're going to get the 0733 Great Western Railway service in Taunton to London Paddington, and we're going to be taking that all the way to Reading. We're going to be calling it and Nelson Backwell, Bristol Temple Meads, Bass Bar, Chippenham, Swindon, Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. That train's going all the way to London, just calling it London Paddington after we're light at Reading. And then from Reading, we're going to connect onto a train bound for Basingstoke, which is going to take me to Bramley. So yeah, that's the plan for this morning. There's a cross-country passing through, I think. Not sure what that's on. Possibly 641 off Temple Meads bound for Plymouth. So yeah, that's the plan. Should be a good trip. Quite excited. So yeah, let's get into this video. Arriving now is the 0733 Great Western Railway service from Taunton to London Paddington, and this is going to be the train taking me to Reading. It is a 9-coach IET, and it is 800 to 302. So yeah, going to board this train now, and I'm going to see you when we depart out. And we're now departing well. And we are now departing Yatton. Currently running about 3 minutes late, which isn't too bad. Next stop will be Nailsea and Backwell. And we are now departing Nailsea and Backwell. Next stop is Bristol Temple Meads. And we're now arriving into Bristol Temple Meads.
Check the Avonmouth train on platform 7. For other destinations, please check the departure screens carefully or ask a member of staff. Bristol Temple Meads next, please mind to begin.
And we've got 158767 sat there.
For inspection at the gates. Thank you.
With 158766. Forming a service to Plymouth. It's looking like this train's going to get quite busy here, so yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. And we are now departing Bristol Temple Meads. Departing out here 4 minutes late. Not 100% sure why we are 4 minutes late, but if I find out, I will let you guys know. We're departing out over there with the 165. Didn't get the number on that. Next stop will be Bath Spa. And we are now departing Bath Spa. Running 4 minutes late out here at Baspa. Next stop is Chippenham. And we're now departing Chippenham. Platform is on the other side of the train due to Chippenham being an island platform station. Next stop is Swindon.
You should go upstairs. Is that all for you?
And we're now departing Swindon. There's 387165 there. Something else on the map, but I can't quite see what that is. There's 387152. And next station will be Didcot. And we're now departing Didcot Parkway. Next station is Reading, where I will be alighting from the service and changing for a train towards Basingstoke. Oh, the platform's been extended since I was last here at Didcot. That's quite interesting. So yeah, next stop is Reading. And we are now arriving into Reading, where I will be alighting from this service. And we're arriving in on platform number 10. Departing at now is a slightly delayed 0912 Great Western Railway service from Taunton to London Paddington. The train is running about 4 minutes late. As a reminder, that was 800 302 and that brought me here to Reading. So guys, now we're here at Reading. So the plan now is we're going to go over to platform number 2 and we're going to get the 0938 service starting here at Reading going to Basingstoke, and that's going to take me to the first station of the day, which is Bramley. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm over there. Alright guys, so I'm now here at platform 2 and this is my train. It's going to be 165110. And this is going to take me on the 0938 Great Western Railway service starting here at Reading, going to Basingstoke. Going to be calling Reading West, Reading Green Park, Bramley, Mortimer, sorry, and then Bramley. So yeah, going to board this train now, and I'll see you guys when we depart out. And we're now departing Reading.
E-scooters are banned on all Great Western Railway trains and stations. You will be refused travel if you attempt to bring an e-scooter with you. This does not apply to e-bikes. For more details, visit gwr.com/bikes.
Next stop is Reading West. And we are now departing Reading West.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Basingstoke.
Next station is Reading Green Park. Apologies for the dodgy angle there, I just dropped my ticket and needed to pick it up.
Mortimer.
And we are now departing
This
Reading
is a
Green
Great
Park.
Western Railway service
One
to
of the newest stations in
Basingstoke.
Britain, recently opened a couple of months ago, I think it is. We'll be back here later to take a good look at this station. Next stop is Mortimer.
Is Bramley.
And we are now departing
This is a
Mortimer.
Great Western Railway service to Basingstoke.
Next stop is Bramley, where I will be alighting from this service. And we're now riding into Bramley. And departing now is the 0957 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. Alright guys, and welcome to Bramley. So now I'm just going to go and film the video here at Bramley, and I will see you guys when that is done. Alright guys, so I've now finished filming the video here at Bramley. Now, in that video, a lot of the trains going towards Basingstoke, all of them in fact, were delayed. And that's because of, what was it? A defect with line-side equipment, it was. Yes, that shouldn't affect me moving on with the day, just because of the fact we were going back north, back to Reading. So, the next station we are filming at is Mortimer. Oh, I'm passing through now, we have some freight. And I believe this is from Crewbass Hall to Southampton MCT. Now we'll film this one going through, we'll film this for the Spotting Trip vlogs. And that was 70004 and 70002. So yeah, anyway, like I was saying, the next station we're going to be filming at is Mortimer. And to get there, we're going to get the 1200 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And that's going to take us to one stop to Mortimer. So yeah, I'll see you guys when that train is arriving in. Arriving in now is the 1200 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And this is going to be the train taking me to Mortimer. And this one is 165110. So yeah, we're going to board this train now and I'm going to take this to Mortimer. I'll see you guys when we are departing out. And we are now departing Bramley.
Mortimer. This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading.
And we are now arriving into Mortimer. Albeit I will be alighting from the service here. So yeah, here's Mortimer. I'll see you guys on the platform. And departing out there was the 1206 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And now I'm here at Mortimer. So I'm now just going to go and film the video here at Mortimer. And I will see you guys once that is done. Alright guys, so I'm now finished filming the video here at Mortimer. It's a nice station, to be fair. It's just in the middle of nowhere and you get no signal here. So trying to get live station arrival, departures and passing trains, find out what they are, is an absolute mission. But there we are, we got it done. And the next station we're going to be going to now is Reading Green Park. Now, Reading Green Park only recently opened in the past couple of months. It's almost a brand new station. So yeah, that's quite exciting. And to get to Reading Green Park, we're going to be taking the 1406 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading, and that's going to take me the one stop to Reading Green Park. So yeah, that should be good. So I shall see you guys when that train is arriving in. Arriving now is the 1406 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And this is going to be the train that takes me through to Reading Green Park. And it is 165121. It's quite busy consistent carriage, but we're only on it for the one stop, so it's not too bad. So yeah, gonna board this train now, and I'll see you guys when we depart out. And we're now departing Mortimer. And we are now arriving into Reading Green Park. This is the next station that I'm going to be filming at today. Just got this one and one more left, so yeah, we're getting there. Slowly but surely getting there. Departing out now is the 1412 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And now we're here at Reading Green Park, so I'm now just going to go and film the video here, and I will catch you guys once that is all finished. Alright guys, so I've now finished filming the video here at Reading Green Park. Quite enjoyed this station actually, it's really nice. And the area around here looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, now gonna get the 1612 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading, and that's going to take us to our next station, which is Reading West. And Reading West is obviously going to be the final station of the day. And then after we've done that, we'll just head back to the main Reading station and head home from there. Now, I do believe the train I was meant to be catching from Reading, being the 1855 service to Taunton from London Paddington, that has been cancelled, as it always seems to whenever I come to Reading. So once we've done Reading West, I'll work out the plan for getting back home, and I'll be getting some delay repay, which is always good. So yeah, I'll see you guys when my train is arriving in. Arriving in now is the 1612 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And this is going to be the train taking me to Reading West. My train is 165116. Not too busy either, which is always good. So yeah, gonna board this train now. I'll see you when we depart out. We are now departing Reading Green Park.
The next station is Reading West. This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading.
And we are now arriving into Reading West. Departing out now is the 1616 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. Right guys, and I am now here at Reading West. Yeah, gonna film the video here. And I will see you guys once that is done. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm now finished filming the video here at Reading West. So that's all 4 stations complete, which is good. So now the next job is to head back to Reading from here. So I'm going to get on the 1719 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading, and that's just going to take me the one stop to Reading. And then I will update you guys with what's going on when I get there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Arriving in now is the 1719 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. And this is going to be the train to take me to Reading. Just the one stop down to Reading, not on this for long, only a couple of minutes. And this one is 165121. So yeah, we're going to board this train now, see you when we depart out. And we are now departing Reading West. Apologies for you guys not being able to see very well, but the window is incredibly scratched. And it is obviously dark, which makes it incredibly hard to see. And we are now arriving into Reading. Once again, I do apologise for you guys not being able to see a lot here. The departure from Reading on the train back to the southwest would be that should have a lot better view. I'll update you guys once I am onto the platform. Right guys, so I'm now here at Reading, and so I've got about an hour and 20-ish minutes before my train home. So I'm just gonna pop into the city centre. Well, not city centre, pop into the town centre, grab some dinner, and I'll see you guys once we're back at the station. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm now back here at Reading. Let's have a bit of dinner, a bit of a walk around, and yeah, just come back to the station. And I know I said earlier that my train, I thought had been cancelled. It turns out, if it was cancelled, it's been reinstated because it's running. So we're now just going to board on the train that I am supposed to be on, being the 1855 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Taunton, and that's going to take me from here in Reading all the way to Whirl direct, which is excellent. Not going to have to change off Templemeads, which is always good. So yeah, the next clip you will see is that train arriving into Reading. I'll see you guys in a minute. And arriving in now is the 1855 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Taunton. And this train is going to take me right the way through to Whirl. I imagine this train is probably going to be quite busy. They normally are coming out of here at this time of day. Even though it's a Saturday, they're always rammed. Hopefully it's not too bad. And this one is 800-315. Yeah, it's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse, but yeah, I'm going to board this train now, and I'll see you guys when we depart out. And we are now departing Reading. I filmed all the stations on this service on the way up to Reading, so next station you will see will be the arrival and departure from Bristol Temple Meads. And we are now arriving into Whirl. Departing now is the 2033 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Taunton. Alright guys, and welcome back to Whirl. So yeah, been a good day today. We've filmed at Bramley, Mortimer, Reading Green Park and Reading West. Really enjoyed today, and no delay, not one train delay at all today that I've been on at all, so that's excellent, excellent stuff. Next trip will 110% be Portsmouth. I know, I've been saying that for months, and I'm very sorry that that's not happened. But yeah, the tickets are booked now. That's happening. That's definitely 1,000,000% going to be the next one. The tickets are booked. So yeah, get that done. That'll be good. So that's going to be the end of this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.